Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing episode here in Review Anything with me. Today I will be unboxing a product from Grownsy, the bottle sterilizer and dryer. We got this from Amazon for $49.59, but the original price was $89.99. This product has 7 accessories: the top lid, the basket for small parts, the bottle rack, the sterilizer base, the bottle clip and a measuring cup, the power plug, and the functional panel. This is the instruction manual, so let's try. For the function panel, you have the power button, the menu, and it has 4 modes: the sterilizing, drying, which is for 60 minutes, auto mode 1, which is 8 minutes sterilization plus 60 minutes drying, auto mode 2, which is 8 minutes of sterilization and 80 minutes of drying. Here I use the manual mode for sterilizing and drying. Then I finally realized that life would be easier if I just press on the auto mode, which is 8 minutes of sterilization and 60 minutes of drying. That's it.